how to check the maximum RAM capacity of your PC. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to check the maximum RAM capacity of your PC. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, let's start with a method one, that is to check via the system information. So here just press Windows plus R to open the run dialog, and there you can just type msinfo32 and simply press enter. And here once you do that, in the system summary you can simply look for installed physical memory, which shows the current RAM, and with that you can also check total physical memory, which is max usable RAM. And here in some system, you may list maximum capacity if available as well. And with that, moving forward to the step 2 or method 2, that is to check via the task manager. So here, just press Ctrl Shift plus Escape to open the task manager. And here, once you're inside the task manager, just click on the performance tab, and after that you can just go to the memory section, and here you can see slots used and the total slots, and with that you can also see the maximum capacity supported. And that's it. That's how you can check the maximum RAM capacity of your PC. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.